more minutes. 3, 2, 1, go. Remember, you can only start walking.
Tower defense is quickly becoming one of my favorite games to play. It's basically everyone versus the sniper who sits in the tower. Their objective is to touch an object next to it.
Oh my God.
They can only walk unless they have shot down all the cups located on these steps.
God.
Then they are free to run.
That's me. I got you, Eric. You got 1 cup left. Blue. Oh.
Things are starting to get a little bit more hectic. I'm starting to panic. So I pull out my felt-fed LMG, the Boxer Pro. And now that that's out, I'm using my Diana.
Okay, got it. Okay, wow.